Frankie the Junk Man back at you again. We got a load of scrap today. Nice day, nice sunshiny day. Had a couple of bad days of winter, so we're happy to be out working. So we got this load of scrap here. We're gonna throw on the truck. Get a nice little check for this. Gonna cut all these wires. Save out all the brass. Save out all the copper. And yeah, get cracking. So we've got our aluminum pile here. James is gonna load up this appliance. Too bad that don't work. Always good for Craigslist. We got golf clubs, Christmas trees, brass, copper, wires, symbols. Got all kinds of stuff. James, don't forget to cut that cord. So I always cut these pigtails here. You can take them pigtails off and resell them. That one there is a little bit damaged, so I'm not going to mess with that. So we got a pretty nice little load coming.
Any more big stuff?
No more big stuff, I don't think. This here's my furniture unit. I just happen to have some scrap in here too. I'm gonna load up. I got a TV here I'm gonna put on Craigslist. I've got a pretty nice china cabinet there. Unfortunately, I don't have the glass, but I might get somebody to come by and give me $10 for it. And now listen to the sound of money. Here we go. Listen for it. That, my friends, is the sound of money. For those of you who don't know about scrap metal pays by the weight, usually by the ton. That means for everything that you put in there, the more weight that you put in there, the more money it's worth. So if scrap metal is $200 a ton and you have 1,000 pounds, you've got a $100 check. So that's basically the way it works out. I will do another video, and plus I'm going to write a book detailing scrap metal a little bit more. But as it is right now, that's the basic gist for those of you who don't know about scrap metal. This load right here is what they call shred. That means you can mix metal, wood, plastic all together. There's number 2 and there's number 3 higher grade scrap metal as well. That's clean metal with a certain thickness. But this is the low grade scrap metal. I personally prefer to do low grade scrap metal in most cases because I get so much volume and it takes a long time to strip all the foreign objects off of it. So I throw it in, get my check, go grab me a pizza, and we're all happy, right? So that's the up and down for scrap metal. The easy way. I say watch more of my videos. I have more detailed videos depending on when you look at my videos detailing scrap metal a lot more. Frankie the Junk Man, sign up and subscribe, right? And this load will have no brass, no copper, no aluminum, just straight iron. When you see these guys running around down the street with a huge pile of scrap metal on the back of their truck, just know this: they got a check coming. And a lot of them guys, they look pretty scroungy, but they got more money than what you'd ever expect. And again, the sound of money. So, and like always, got to get our ground cleaned up. Don't ever want to leave anything for anybody else. Yeah.
Even though she is a factory.
It.
With two ugly dogs.
So we clean up our job site, we pull the door down, and we're off to the races.
And we're going to throw snowballs at each other.
Yeah, and then when we're done, we're going to throw snowballs at each other. Bunch of old fat guys out here working.
Want the snow cleaned up too?
Yeah, shovel that snow while you're at it. Love this box truck. Close the door, no straps, no hooking up a trailer. Works out real good. Yeah, there we go.
All right, there you go.
So anyway, it's a wrap on this job. We're getting ready to head to the scrapyard. Made short work of this. I got plenty of help. I appreciate my guys. So anyway, stay tuned. Got plenty more videos coming. I got about 25 years worth of experience here. Little FYI, I am going to start writing a couple of books. So subscribe and like my videos. Let's get some traffic up on here. I'm going to share my gift with the world. So, this is Frankie, the Junk Man, and I am out.